In case you couldn't tell by the background, it is that time of year, and here in front of me is a new Garvey tree that was sent to me to do this for you. This is exactly how it came out of the box, all squished up like this, looking still kind of pretty. I get a feeling of pretty, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work here. Comes with instructions and comes with a nice little set of white gloves, which lots of people with the artificial trees kind of have like a little somewhere in between an allergic reaction and kind of like an itchy reaction, and the gloves are a nice touch. Comes with a stand. Everything you need is right here. So what do you say we time-lapse, put it together, and come back and talk about it, see what it looks like. This is a really good test because I am super lazy and not very detailed in making these trees look like trees. It is the beautiful Nicole's job in the house to do that. And so if I can make this thing look amazing, it's really gonna look amazing for you. If you're watching on YouTube, smash that hype feature, really important to do that. Let's talk about some things that get lost in communication sometimes. It is a legit 8 feet, because sometimes these things come and they're not 8 feet. This is a legit 8 feet. I am 6 foot 2 inches tall. I think this thing looks really cool. I think my favorite feature about this is that it is so narrow, because it makes it so much more useful. There's so many places that you could put this and utilize it because it's so narrow. I will say, in all fairness, not a whole lot of the little white snow came off. Actually, let me just show you. This is all the white snow that came off in all of my fiddling and putting it up, which really is pretty good. We've done a couple of these and they can really make a pretty hysterical mess. Additionally, you can toggle between solid white, solid colors, fading in and fading out of colors, fading in and fading out of white. I have chosen the full party mode craziness because there's a moratorium in our house with the stupid lights and the craziness. And so until this video is over, the light police are not able to control what I am doing. So I've gone with party mode. But this will be a beautiful white. Let me show you what the beautiful white looks like. This is a pretty white traditional tree. And I don't think you could possibly go wrong with this. If you want a tree like this, I did this. I think it looks reasonably good. I'm pretty sure the tree expert might find a couple little holes to touch up, but I did this quickly. You saw me do it myself. I'm very proud of how it looks. I like, how about this? How about this for a boy? It is ombre, going from dark to light at the top. I know that kind of stuff. It is ombre, and I like that effect as well. So yeah, you should get yourself one. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use them. Like the video, follow the channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'm happy to discuss it. If you have an insane, colorful party mode in your house, let's figure out some way to exchange pictures and maybe we'll put them up on Instagram or something like that. I love that stuff. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.